Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this week's instruction video on the homework assigned for this week that is done on Google Classroom. So if you are watching this video right now, you are probably in 7th grade science with Miss Day. And for this week, you were assigned an assignment called Plate Tectonics Features, in which you will be defining and finding major plate tectonic features, as well as labeling them on your map that we have worked on and colored in class. So go ahead and open up Google Classroom, and you will find a Google slide presentation that will open up and look like this, labeled Plate Tectonics Features. Once you've gotten to this point, go ahead and set up a blank notebook page headed Plate Tectonics Features, and then you are ready to get started. So once you have made that heading, divide your paper up into 3 sections. A section that you will label title, a section that you will label what it's caused by, and a section that you will label how it affects Earth's surface. Then you will go ahead and in the title section, go ahead and write number 1, Cascades, Oregon Volcano. And the second section, what it's caused by. This is what you will write. Pacific Plate subducts where it converges with the North American Plate. And for the last column, you will write the subduction causes volcanoes to emerge on the west side of the North American Plate. Then you have finished the writing section for number 1, the Cascades, Oregon Volcano. There may be a second slide that shows you an example of some pictures of that location. Not all locations have this, but this one just happens to. You will then find a Google Earth link. Go ahead and click it. This will help you find the location. And bear with me, the computer's a little slow in loading Google Earth. And here you go. There is where the Cascade Range can be found. This is just kind of an interesting aspect for you to kind of know where it is. And of course, we live in kind of that Cascade Range, so it's cool for you to maybe explore a little bit, zoom in, zoom out, see what it is. Another example, here's number 2. So in your title section, go ahead and write Mid-Atlantic Ridge. What it's caused by, this is what you write. How it affects Earth's surface, this is what you write. Oh, and don't forget to be labeling in your map. There's a picture right here that shows you I have labeled number 2 and drawn the symbols for the mountains. You will be doing this for all 8 of the plate tectonics features. Once again, here's the second slide that shows you kind of what the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is. Pretty cool. And once again, there's the Google Earth. Just to walk you through all of them, here's number 3, Andes Mountains. Don't forget to label it in your map. And number 4, East African Rift Zone. Here's the map. Here's everything you need to write down. And so on, so forth, until you get all the way through to number 8. This is the last one, the San Andreas Fault. Once you have completed that table and labeled it in your map, you are finished for the homework assignment for this week. Go ahead, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will see you in class tomorrow. Bye!